The Lenovo D18 Drone is a compact and user-friendly quadcopter designed for beginners and enthusiasts looking for a simple and intelligent flying experience. Despite its small size, the D18 is packed with features typically found in more advanced models, including intelligent obstacle avoidance, brushless motors, and a dual-camera system, making it a great choice for capturing aerial footage with confidence. Dual camera system and smart functions. The drone is equipped with an 8K HD dual camera system, featuring a 150 degrees escape remote-controlled camera. This allows you to adjust the camera angle remotely, capturing a wide range of perspectives from a single flight. The drone also supports gesture photography, letting you take photos and videos with a simple hand signal, and includes MV production and beauty filters to enhance your footage directly from the app. Intelligent and safe flight. The D18 comes with an intelligent perception obstacle avoidance head that helps it sense and steer clear of obstacles, significantly reducing the risk of collision. The Optical Flow Hovering system provides stable flight and fixed-point hovering, making it easier to control and capture stable shots. The drone also includes one-key takeoff and landing, a multi-speed switching function, and a headless mode for simplified control. Powerful and agile performance. The drone's brushless motors provide more power, efficiency, and a longer lifespan compared to traditional brushed motors. This results in greater stability, better wind resistance, and a more responsive flying experience. The stunt rolling feature adds an element of fun to your flights, allowing you to perform 360 degrees rolls with a single button. Compact and portable design. With its foldable design, the Lenovo D18 is highly portable and easy to carry. It can be conveniently packed in a backpack, making it a great companion for outdoor adventures. The drone's built-in rechargeable battery offers a flight time of approximately 10 minutes, and the remote control also has a built-in rechargeable battery for added convenience. In summary, the Lenovo D18 Drone offers a great combination of intelligent features and user-friendly controls, making it an excellent entry-level drone. Its obstacle avoidance system, dual camera setup, and brushless motors provide a safe and stable flying experience, while the various smart functions allow for creative and dynamic aerial photography. Whether you're a new pilot or just looking for a compact, feature-rich drone, the D18 is a solid choice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews, tips, and tutorials.